special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A line of snow squalls associated with an Arctic front will affect Huron, Ottawa, Seneca, Erie, Marion, Wyandotte, Sandusky, Crawford, Wood, Hancock, northwestern Lorain, and Lucas counties until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, radar indicated moderate to heavy snow squalls along a line extending from near Ottawa Lake to 7 miles northeast of Antwerp, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include winds to 50 miles per hour, visibility dropping to less than 1/2 of a mile, up to 1 inch of quick snow accumulation. Locations impacted include Toledo, Lorain, Elyria, Findlay, Marion, Bowling Green, Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Fostoria, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Upper Sandusky, Port Clinton, Bluffton, Kelly's Island, Avon Lake, and Perrysburg. Use extra caution if you must travel. Rapid changes in visibility and potentially slick roads may lead to accidents.